welcome back. So this week we're talking about Utah, Park City, Utah. One of my favorite tracks. First time I ever went to Park City, Utah was in about 2019. Got there, still racing expert, had a good lap, and what ended up happening was I was going along learning the track, and I found the first turn to be very enjoyable because you go into that double from the first turn, and while you're in that double you can easily swoop in and get a bunch of positions. And so this is how it goes. No flight problems, no bike problems, but we still gotta thank the boys over at Tangent because my headset was loose going in, so the stem was loose. And so they get it all tightened up, get on the track, and all of a sudden I'm riding it, and I swear, get out of the gate, get a little pop out of the gate, and I'm like, okay, something happened here, it's practice. And all of a sudden, I'm trying to turn, and they tightened it so aggressively hard that I was pinching on both sides, the stem. And I go into the turn, and it just swings me, and I'm holding on for dear life, and I get through that turn, and I'm like, okay, let's get through this straight. Don't want to get thrown off the bike. Continue going, didn't get thrown off the bike again, and you're going down that third straight, and that third straight will catch you with some speed, with some manuals and some jumps. And I got there, and I was like, pull brake, and I was like, okay, I'd rather finish this lap, have him fix it, than crash. And so I did. It was good practice. Then go to the race. Gate 4 for Moto 1. Get in the gate, trying to figure out exactly what line I want to run because it's my second race here, but I like this track and I know how it rides. I get a good stand up, a good lift in my arms, get locked in, and the coverage shows it all. Ended up getting a 5th, 6th, and a 6th on a Friday. Which didn't get me into the B main. Still a good ride. And going in Saturday, another 5th, 6th, and then a 7th. Which still didn't get me into the B main. But I was learning that I was right there with the pack. I wasn't too far from getting where I needed to be and competing against what I needed to do. I was right on top of everyone. Decided to race a pro open Sunday. Got 4th, but I was battling with some of the best women racers and vet racers. And I was right on Rachel Meidock's back tire on the second jump. Came together and I gave her a little touch. And I was like, I don't want to crash. I don't want to crash her. We aren't racing in the same class. Don't worry about it. Come back. Second round. I ended up getting another 4th and another 4th. It was a good day for some pro open races. Got me a lot of confidence and a lot of encouragement because in pro racing you need to be confident, you need to be witty, and you need to be what I am, which is very competitive. Because if you're not confident, you're gonna end up hurting yourself. If you're not witty, you're gonna make an error, like I did almost with my stem. And if you're not competitive, you're not gonna win.